Eh? No. No. Put down them and come now. Alright, there you are. My favorite thing. Come on. Come on, Jason. I'll take them walk on the ground. Come in now. Why you not? You got this. Come in. Let's stop here and come. Yeah, before. Eh? You dead there? Yeah, for me. Come on, baby. I'll take that in my place. Steven. Come on, sit down now. Me not go do nothing. Alright, then I have one competition over my work where if we have to dance, send in one video, but I by 12 o'clock. So I want your video, I say I can send in the video. If you go in a competition, what you laugh? Tap no.
What kind of competition?
Me go win 100,000 G and then one weekend video.
Me
tap it.
What kind of video you send over?
Babe, me not laugh. Come now. Come video.
You don't send no video going away.
Video me no J. Everything you not supporting.
You don't send no video going over. We're gonna video.
So let me show you a routine and you tell me.
You video.
No, me I go take out her clothes. Wait, Joe.
You're not send no video. You're not send no video going away.
Come, video me. Turn on the song for the J. Me and me now go there. Me just go show you a routine first and me see how you look on the camera first. Come now. Come now. Take me here, so. Me like here, so. Shift the clip. Shift it. Drop down your foot. This is one nice
what kind of video you
Jamie,
what kind of video
dancing and a Christian.
Oh, dancing.
Come now. We can't. Come now. Almost 12 o'clock. Come
here. What kind of dancing? So much you show what kind of dancing from start.
Me want to see how your routine look on the camera first and then me go put on your mesh blows. Your mesh blows. You know I don't tape because I have to tape up my nipple. Me can't want everything I take.
You have nipple for?
Tap now.
I'm most of my day I'm mad about tape up nipple. Do you have nipple for?
Come now, babe. Come.
Do you have nipple for?
Come now. Come, video me see you look every routine.
Tape up nipple for do. So yeah, I naked dance, naked me can tape up nipple.
Me on dancing I green mesh blows.
Which mesh blows?
It green all in one. Come now.
Dancing go away.
Babe, I work.
Send go show up. No, I mean, I know which where at all? Which shall it know?
It green why it is the iPhone.
With E6, yeah,
Alright, me a chip.
Yeah, I'm saying mad.
Babe.
Babe, you idiot.
Talk about me there. Come now. Come let me show you a routine. Hurry, ready. Come now, look. Which side you think that me can do? They are almost 12 o'clock. And me have to get. But me have to ready to go work by then, so me have to do it now. Any girl I look at say, "Bitch, tap to your face, you know."
You're not saying no, you're mad. No, almost joke at me. I joke at me, not joke. I almost joke at me.
Babe, me I go do your routine. If you don't look good, we not send it. Just video me. And then when I part them, you can come in.
Me can come over.
You don't be your face, so now. Yeah, make me laugh on the door funny.
Me can come over.
Baby can come in and whine me.
And you say Nini?
So what if you whine me, babe?
Hey, Carol, you don't want me dance to that party, you want to sing at your workplace, you idiot. I must joke here, me.
Babe, alright, you sit down, lay down and ground.
Feel the food, or me road you are going.
Lay down and me just come over here and go some.
Joke, man, joke.
Where you joking?
Yeah, I make joke. Yeah, I make joke. Babe, if you don't want to dance with me, if you dance with me a party.
Babe, let me ask you one question. Let me ask you.
I'm not around a friend, you walk here saying that.
Babe, let me ask you one question. 100,000 and 2 person go through a weekend and one resort of choice.
Could have 400,000 and you know dance to me same me no walk you know dance with me.
Alright then you don't have to come in. Babe, but they not even have to see your face and you just lay down and me just go down pan your soap and just go soap pan you and do that. Stop that now.
I'm not saying none of this sitting no way. Make you 100,000 pass.
Babe, we want it.
You not now say that in that long time, babe.
Babe, me just see a message.
And you show me. No,
After I wrote it, come, me can't, that's why me can't bother with some things in a life, you know, man. You go for them here, you not go for them. Turn on the TV, make you song play. What we do when I go down? Where remote? Where remote? You hide remote now. Come now.
When I hide the remote, you hide the remote. When I hide the remote.
The remote.
When I get not say no video now we bow and I go.
Jamie, I go send you with that. Come here, cock up your phone.
You not say nothing.
Me not busy the fellow one video. Cause this is my passion. And if you don't want to be with me with my passion, you not busy.
This is mad. Carrie not saying that no way. This is mad.
You not saying.
Carrie not win 100,000, but you won't win 100,000. How kind of competition that done at your workplace?
And that's why that's why you got the money there.
They know why you do then sitting there and sitting in your workplace. Yeah, mad.
Why?
She go back to young and so. Look at me, I'll go sitting there. Look at me.
You're not motivating. You're not motivating, Jay. You don't motivating. You're vating mode.
You want to eat something in your coffee?
Me no want nothing. It's funny?
Yeah, you do. You said that
Make a way one of that man me have. They would actually see motive. We could have win the money and we do things with the money. We could have win the money.
So you know the money already.
We could have win the money. We could have win the money. So some more money pa. That's let me alone. Come on.
Yeah, that way you want to put on the all in one sitting there.
Alright then, me can change it. And put on the liquid. Babe, so me I go up on the competition in a pants.
You can't go on competition in a pants.
Me done.
You know?
I am finished.
Finish what?
With this.
This one?
You.
Finish with me.
Cause you're not motivating. Me want doing something for get a little money and that are your problem. That are your problem. That are your problem. Maybe if you motivate me for the things that I want to be.
No, they motivate.
Anyways, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to join the family. Peace.